Hey there. Are you ready to learn Notion? Because I've got you covered. This is your Notion how-to series, basically how to do everything that you could inside of Notion, and I broke it down by level. Level 1, you don't need to know anything to do it. Level 2, you need to know something, and Level 3, you've used it before. Level 4 and 5 really should be skipped by most people unless you're trying to get to where I am with the databases and the integrations and becoming and calling yourself a Notion developer. Most people should stop at level 3 where they can use it and comment with themselves. So I went through, decided this is a lesson in its own, and put that into a whole bunch of different categories. We have our levels and we have our subjects. So you can see that we have about 48 lessons on databases, 42 on blocks, and these are essentially your actionable guides to do anything in Notion. And putting this all together, I decided to put that into an entire course, where if you'd rather just get it all in front of you in one view, well, we have the course for you called Notion 101. But if you'd rather see that actionable guide on how to do any particular thing, like how to use Notion for personal productivity, well, that's going to be in the course as well, but you're going to have that in a guide for you to consume how you want. So if you're looking for some more Notion tips to take your Notion game to a whole new level, well, I've got you covered. Feel free to like, subscribe, and stick around for what we have coming. There's a whole lot more in store. Let's do this.